This is my morning meeting area, and sometimes we also do focus on science with the younger group just to keep them closer together while we're reading the book. All the students have a job in the morning, and we rotate it on a weekly basis. So calendar, rules, lunch menu, weather graph, and setting the current temperature. To set the current temperature, we ask Siri on the iPad. We follow everything in the book, the morning meeting book. It kind of moves things along, and the kids always know what is coming next. Next, I have my math area. This is where we do equals. This is the math shelf where I keep all the manipulatives. The kids like to come over here when they're taking a break and play with all that. I keep my equals cards here, vocabulary cards. It makes it easier to find them when I need them. Also, when we line up at the door, I can just pull a couple cards and we can review what we were talking about before. This is the math wall. The older group helped put those posters together. They're really good about coming to look at these before they ask for help or saying, I don't know. This is my desk and the life skills computer. The red tape means don't cross. The students know they're not supposed to cross the line. These cabinets are off limits to them. So there's my equals, all the equals stuff that I need. It just makes it easier to pull if they haven't been digging in it and rearranging my boxes. And then over here I keep my equals stuff. Whenever I pull stuff out of the equals drawers, I come over here and put them in a bin. So when I'm ready to work on equals, I can just take the bin to the table and it's already ready to go. I have one set of cabinets over here that has drawers for each one of them, and they can put whatever they want in the drawers. Usually it's food or extra clothes. Some of them have some work in there. And then here are the clipboards. Each kid has a clipboard and they can hang up their work. When they hang up their work, they're always so proud to be able to show their work off to everyone else who comes in the room. Here is my quiet work area. So if someone needs a space to work quietly, they can just come over here to the desk with minimal distractions. And here's some life cycles. I leave these up just so that we can review what we've learned. And this is my science wall. It's just made out of felt. So I put everything up with Velcro. It's easy to put up there and pull off. So lots of times the students are over here rearranging it for me. Sometimes I have activities for them to do on the wall. And this is also nice because they can look back and see what we've been doing. These are the independent work drawers. The white ones are the easiest and the yellow ones are the hardest. Inside the drawers are the little numbers that match the big number on the outside. So we can just take the little number off and put it on a work card. And so we usually give them 2 to 3 tasks depending on their level, and they can just take their card and match up their number to the drawer and get started on their work. And then this is a free time shelf. So anytime we have a break, they can come choose something off the shelf to work with. This number line goes up to 12. The kids love coming and playing on it. They like to jump from number to number. We use it for all kinds of activities like addition and subtraction, counting, one-to-one correspondence, ABC patterns. This is my group table. This is where we sit when we're working on the smartboard. This is how I organize my equals vocabulary cards when I'm not using them. It's just in alphabetical order, and then I've got all the sets behind it. Just makes it easy to grab what I need